Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries not sweat. First, always begin with completely dry strawberries at room temperature. Any moisture will cause the chocolate to seize or sweat later. Also, choose a good quality chocolate, as it melts smoother and sets better. Make sure your kitchen environment is cool and not humid for optimal dipping conditions. When melting your chocolate, use a double boiler or microwave on low power, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Dip each strawberry quickly, covering about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out and gently tap the stem against the bowl's edge to remove any extra chocolate. This creates a thin, even coating that sets beautifully. After dipping, place your strawberries on a sheet of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Let them set at room temperature for about 30 minutes to 1 hour until the chocolate is firm. Avoid refrigerating immediately, as the sudden temperature change can cause condensation. Once set, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry spot. To prevent sweating, the key is to avoid drastic temperature shifts. If you must refrigerate, place them in an airtight container and let them come to room temperature slowly before serving. For extra shine, you can add 1/4 of a teaspoon of coconut oil per 100 grams of chocolate. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly non-sweaty chocolate-covered strawberries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.